Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid, and in today's video I will be making a planner spread for my micro happy planner. Actually, it's been a minute, so I've really been needing to do this. I will be using the Color Story Happy Planner sticker book that I found at the Bargain Mart for like $4, and I saw this leafy green sticker that kind of just, I don't know, gave me ideas. So my planner spread will be revolving around the color green and botanicals. And I'm so excited because first off, it's been a minute since I've been in this micro planner. I don't know why. I don't know. Okay. I don't know what's going on with me and my planner. I'm all over the place and I'm trying to get it back together. So it's good that I'm putting this video out. So I'll be using different elements. I'll be using pretty much just stickers, washi tape, and I'm gonna keep it simple this time. Normally my spreads have a bunch of pop-up stuff and all that and rhinestones, but I said I'm gonna keep it simple this time and go back to my roots, which was starting off by putting stickers on a page. Sometimes I miss the simplicity of just putting my stickers on a page. Plus, I know some of you guys are also looking for functionality when it comes to this little tiny cute baby planner. So I do want to also show some elements of that on my channel as well. So this spread can be written on. It is going to be use of box stickers, of course, which is my favorite kind of sticker to use when it comes to functional spreads. So I'm just really excited to put this together. And then I did just get some new washi tape, so I gotta show off my washi tape. The washi tape that I love so much is the glittery one. Like, I forget that they can make glittery and foily, shiny washi tape. So I'm trying to use up my washi tape, y'all, and use it in this spread as well. The paper that I'm using is just some kind of, I don't know, shiny cardstock, I guess. I got it at Michael's, and you'll definitely see it at Michael's, but it's some kind of like chromy kind of cardstock paper, which I thought would be fun because I like to add dimension to my projects. So if you want to spruce up your projects a little bit, just add some other kind of element that you normally don't use. Textured paper, glitter washi tape instead of regular washi tape, stickers with designs on it instead of regular box stickers. You can add a lot to your spreads to make them pop without them looking like, I don't know, a generic planner spread, I guess. If you're extra like me, definitely take that into account by adding texture to your spreads and any of your projects, really. Also, if you haven't seen one of my latest uploads on my channel, make sure you check it out. I recently got a new mini happy planner, and it's the Simply layout. Like, first off, never heard of a Simply layout, but then again, I haven't kept up with Happy Planner in years, so they probably got all these new layouts that I'm just now learning about. I'm slowly trying to get back into using Happy Planner stuff, but honestly, y'all, Happy Planner tends to be quite expensive now, so I don't get it as much as I used to unless it's on sale. So I did snag this really cute Color Story sticker book from my local Bargain Mart. I think it's called Bargain Mart. Y'all, I can't remember the name, but it's a bargain outlet. I think it's called Grocery Bargain Outlet. I live in California, so I'm from Georgia, and I never heard of it till I moved out here. So if you got one of those in your area, you might can find some stationery for cheap. Also, I've been hearing a lot about Ollie's having Happy Planner books on sale, and I guess I missed it because I tried to visit my family at home and stop by my local Ollie's there, and I didn't see it, so maybe I missed out. I'm so sad. But anyways, I'm glad that I did snag some kind of sticker book because I do love Happy Planner. I absolutely do. It's just y'all, they be taking out my pockets, okay? So anyways, I just wanted to bring that up because I've been putting out more planner videos lately, and I really want to make sure you guys know about it and see it because that is one of the main premises of my channel, and y'all do be asking for those kind of videos. So I just wanted to remind you to check out one of my latest uploads where I got a new mini happy planner, and I will be doing some spreads on this channel soon for that planner. So check it out. Also, make sure you check out my Instagram too if you're looking for any kind of inspo in fashion, hair, beauty, self-care, lifestyle, planners, crafts, card making, video games, just anything I like, really. That's what Plannerzoid is at this point. It was just planners, but then I started learning new craft stuff, and now I'm hooked. Now I just want to learn all the craft skills that I can learn. Also, y'all, I hit 1,800 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So first off, thank you so much. Like, my sub count keeps growing, and I think in the last month I probably gained about 100 subscribers. So I don't know where y'all coming from, but thank you for coming to my channel and checking out my content. Let me know down below if you're new or if you're returning, any content that you're interested in seeing. Like, I'm curious because obviously I want to make sure that I listen to my subbies, but at the same time, this is my channel, y'all. So I'm gonna put out what I want to put out anyway. You know what I'm saying? I just want to take the time to thank you guys for subbing and watching my videos. I may not get a lot of views, I may not get a lot of comments, but one view and one comment is better than no view and no comment. So like, I'm ecstatic. Thank you, thank you. I can't wait to keep growing my channel. I almost forgot to say that. I gotta make sure I thank y'all. So thank you. Also, I will be putting out more micro happy planner content. I say this every video and I have been putting out, but for some reason I feel like I need to put out more. Like, more. But that's for another time. I just wanted to like say that. Also, y'all, with this spread, I noticed that I'm really trying hard to fill in the page. I do just want to let y'all know, if anyone does have inspo from me and want to try the stuff I try, you don't have to fill up your whole planner page. That's just me. I love to just put stickers everywhere. I love to try to cover the page, but sometimes you really just can't. So you're going to see me flipping through this book trying to figure some stuff out. But I do love to incorporate many different elements in all of my spreads. That's quotes, pictures, washi tape, colored paper, anything to make my spread pop and set me different from the rest of the planner spreads that you see here on YouTube. So I really like to be unique and make a difference. So if my spreads look extra, my bad. You could definitely check out earlier videos though, where I was just starting out. Like, it's nothing like this. Like, I'm so proud of myself. But anyways, this is the planner spread. It is super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, don't forget to hole punch your pages, because sometimes I forget to do that. When I do add all those fun embellishments to it, you're going to probably have to do a lot of hole punching because it's going to cover your holes. So make sure you definitely do that. But anyway, this is the spread. This is it. I think it's really cute. It's green. It's fun. Today is a gift. Let's get it on. Make sure you enjoy your day today. Keep that in mind. Today is a gift. Come on. Positivity. But anyway, I just wanted to show my spread. And now I'm going to go ahead and show a montage. So let me know down below what you guys think of the spread. And make sure you subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, guys.